Ours is out of Burgundy. As they begin down on the inside, out of time. Hurricane Alley comes next, Blushing Star. Then followed over by Corduo and Loretta is the early trailer. Burgundy by about 2.5 lengths. Out of time in second, moving up on the outside third, Corduo. Blushing Star drives back in fourth. Hurricane Alley in pick. Then followed over by Loretta, who trails the field by about 6 to 7 lengths up the pace. Meanwhile, we have Burgundy by about 2.5 lengths. Corduo in second, Danori inside third, out of time. Then followed over by Hurricane Alea, Blushing Star, and Loretta. And still Burgundy by about 2 lengths. Out of time, moving up by Drell, Hurricane Alley, and on the outside, Corduo, Blushing Star, and Loretta. Burgundy by about 2 lengths. Hurricane Alley now in second. Art of Time is racing in third. Corduo, Blushing Star, and Loretta as they come down at the last 150. Burgundy by about 4 lengths. And in second, Hurricane Alley moving up by Drelis, Loretta, last 100 meters. Burgundy by about 5 lengths. Hurricane Alley and Loretta entering the finish line. It's all Burgundy. And finally, Burgundy, second. Close, Hurricane Alley, Loretta, then comes Blushing Star, Corduo, and Art of Time.
Ganda ng laban sa segundo.
Oo.